Teach you how to drop in. Also, hopefully gonna learn how to rock the fakie.
You're gonna work out today?
Gotta get my cardio in, jeez. You're playing mental games with me, man.
That's just the proper way to drop in. It's that simple.
Okay.
Try it again by yourself.
That's the test right there.
Gabe, I can straight see this light glaring off of
hope
those.
the people...
Before they start flaming me in the comments,
Hold on,
I hope
hold
that
on.
you
leave your head right
zoom
there.
in, zoom in.
Oh my God.
Zoom in.
Oh, hold on, move your head to the left a little bit. Other way, actually. Other way. And then actually, right, oh, go back the other way a little bit. Right there.
All right, yeah. So before all of you guys in the comments start flaming me for, hey, why are you wearing those ugly glasses, bro? You're indoors, take them off. It's because we got these very bright new lights for the slow motion camera that we just bought. We're testing them out, and we're just trying to figure out a way of troubleshooting going blind from the very bright lights.
Like a cool Christopher Lloyd right
We don't get any though?
No.
Okay.
Hello.
How's it going?
You guys, this is Zexy Zek. He is a gaming YouTuber, and he was here about a year ago. We taught him how to drop in. In that time, this entire full year, you have not dropped in one time.
That is completely correct. I have not.
That really hurts.
I'm sorry.
So you're just throwing Mario's lesson out the door.
I'm sorry.
So now we have your next skate instructor, Carlos.
Perfect.
He is a professional skateboarder for 3 Block, and he's gonna reteach you how to drop in, and then you're also hopefully gonna learn how to rock the fakie today.
Okay, that sounds good.
It's gonna be great. You guys should subscribe. You guys should subscribe to his YouTube channel. Link will be in the description below. Carlos, you can take it from here. I apologize. When Carlos does his skate lessons, he gets very
poetic.
You have to do this, and you have to be really serious because skateboarding is very, very serious. So feel free to just body. Just
Tackle him.
Just tackle him.
Cool.
And here we go.
All right, I'll take that now.
Okay.
Oh wow, this lighting looks great.
He said, get up out. Get up and get on out. Get up and get on out the chair.
Start flirting with him, that's what.
Oh, come here, little guy. Hey, come on.
So this is how all the videos go?
Pretty much.
Okay, okay.
Welcome to Braille. So how did Mario teach you?
We did a nice progression. We did the little bank, then the bigger bank, and then the
quarter, then the
quarter.
Yeah, dude, most people make this mistake where, just lean forward and stomp. What happens if you do that though, you're gonna end up like falling backwards. Because this is what happens if you just lean forward and stomp.
You did get bodied last time, right?
I got bodied pretty hard.
This is what happens if you just lean forward and stomp. Your body, if you push too quick, your head's gonna go backwards automatically. So you don't want that to happen, okay? So you gotta add an extra step, which is the
trust.
So when you go in, you have to actually bow into it, let all your body weight shift forward. And it's gonna feel like you're gonna fall. That's the craziest thing about drop-ins.
Okay.
To this day, I still get scared of. So you gotta lean in all the way. So it's basically this. Knees bent, have your hip out.
Out
foot
as in?
up. Now the main thing you need to do is your shoulders. That's how you make sure you're leaning forward. So your arm needs to go up. This is basically a training goal. So now from here, when I put my arm down, once you figure out how to lock it, see how my shoulder's higher than the other? That's the main secret nobody knows about. If you have your shoulders square, even if you stomp down as hard as you can, you're gonna fall backwards. You wanna do is just bow all your body weight. You see how I slowly shift my weight forward? As soon as you feel that, it's gonna feel like you're gonna fall. And what you do is you just stomp down and catch yourself. That's the main thing to do, okay? So, for example, if you do it on a bank at the edge, like this is what happens if you try to do step 2. You start sliding out. You don't want that to happen.
And that's cool too, though.
But your heart will drop, and it's no fun for anybody. Okay.
No pressure. You only have like a few people watching you.
Oh yeah.
So the main thing is, watch. I'll spot you on it. Just lean forward, shift your weight, go down. Okay? That's the first step. It's that simple.
Okay.
Show them how it's done.
Easy. Other way. Yeah, we almost screwed that one up immediately.
Put your arm up. Okay. Bend your knees. Golden rule.
Nice and bent.
Cover all 4 screws. Now lean forward into it. Stop. Okay. You really gotta pay attention to that part though. That's step 2, that trust fall is the most important. If you don't have that, you're gonna fall down.
So you're just like balancing on the wheels basically?
Kinda in a sense. You'll understand, it makes more sense when you do it on the bow effect, the quarter pipes.
Okay.
This is just teaching you how to shift your weight forward. Like I said, once you get that down, if you get that, that's what I'm training you right now. Your shoulders need to be forward, okay? This need to be higher than your front. So you go here,
Yep.
shift forward, fall in, down. Okay? If you learn that way, dude, you can actually do it on any ramp. That's just the proper way to drop in. I'm not just teaching you how to drop in on a certain ramp.
Okay.
That's the actual principle of dropping in.
Learning how to skate from Carlos is like a ballet.
It is, really is. Very intimate.
So we can move on to this real quick so we can speed up the process a little bit. So the next step would be to learn off the skateboard first, okay? Most people say lean forward, drop in right away. That's not the case. You have to literally fall in first, and then you catch yourself at the very last second. So you form it, arm up. I want to see this, okay? You just go in, fall in. You see that? That's all my body weight shifting to my front foot. Okay, so get used to that feeling. You see how all your weight shifts forward?
Yes.
This is your catching leg, okay? Your front leg is the one that's gonna keep you safe. Trust me, if you get this down, drop-ins are way more consistent. If it's a steeper ramp, that just means you have to lean farther forward. So go in, fall. Exactly, you feel that weight shift?
Oh yeah, I felt
That's how
that.
you're supposed to do it, okay?
Okay.
Put your leg up, so fall in.
Oh,
Right
I
there?
see. No, I see.
So right there, that's too soon. You gotta
Okay.
really like fall in, okay? Fall. Still too soon.
Too soon,
Yep,
as in I'm
still-
pushing my foot down too soon?
It's way too soon, okay?
Okay.
Like I said, it's gonna feel like you're gonna fall down.
That is exactly how it feels.
One, bow. A little bit better. Still a little too soon though, okay? Because you want it to
Okay.
feel very comfortable. Basically, the add-on is you want your head to be in front of your front knee. So
Okay.
if this happens, that means you're locking it automatically. So look how much I've fallen, okay? Look. Okay? See, I took my time. You really got to fall in. If you understand that, it makes it more consistent. Bow, shift all your weight. There you go. Shift forward. Stop. There you go. Better. Now I don't want
Okay.
you to think anymore, okay? You know what to do. Just run back up there, do it again. One, shift, forward, go. Again, okay? Go back up, do it again.
Getting a workout
Gotta
today.
get my cardio in, jeez.
Spin, ready? 1, 2, 3. That was perfect. Okay, again.
Whoa.
Again, come on, don't even think. Lean. Now, did you notice that last one? Felt good, right?
It did feel good.
I didn't even spot you.
Really?
I didn't touch you at all. That's why I tricked you into doing
You're playing mental games with me,
Exactly.
man.
So you did. So now let's try it one more time. So 1, lean, go. Wow. And then that's the drop in.
Yeah.
It's never gonna change beyond that point. Most people teach skate tricks. I teach skateboarding. So that's why I just tricked
Can
you
you
into
put that
doing
on a t-shirt and give it to me? That was really inspirational.
God, that was deep. I think I have a tear in my eye.
Lean, go.
Money!
Last year I was just kind of sending it
Yeah.
and then like closing my eyes and then seeing what happened. But now I feel like I'm just
Yeah,
surfing into it.
Our main goal is to teach you rock to fakies, okay? So let's take like a couple minute breather. I don't know if you want to stop the camera for a
Probably
second.
have him go do a few on the big.
Yeah,
big
and
ramp.
trust me, the same thing.
Same
you
thing.
do the same exact lean, all that stuff, okay?
Wow, it's a
Now,
lot taller.
Don't even look at it, okay? Just do exactly what I taught you, okay? 1, lean. So now you never have that problem. Watch, try the bigger side. It's the same
Oh,
thing, same
ooh,
thing.
okay.
I got you, I'm spotting you, same thing. Remember, if it's bigger, you just have to fall in a little bit more, okay? Arm up.
Whoa!
Ready to do this? 1, lean.
Ooh.
See that?
Yeah.
You use that same method on any of these ramps. If it's steeper, you just have to fall in even farther. But I didn't teach you on a certain ramp. I taught you how to drop in. So let's get used to that a couple times on this. 1, fall in. There you go.
It's pretty fast.
Now it's more comfortable. Do
Okay.
it again. I gave you all the secrets, man. Now you know, like, oh, I'm safe. It's a trust fall. I feel like I'm gonna fall down, but it's not gonna happen.
I wish you were my baseball coach.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, there you go. Already did it.
Almost did it. Right there.
Watch, try it again by yourself.
Okay.
Same thing.
That's the test right there.
No, same thing, okay? Don't even think, just like I said, just like the frenzy. Just make sure to fall in on step 2, okay?
Yeah.
So 1 is form, step 2 is fall in, 3, catch yourself. See, now you know you're safe, so now build confidence. Up, go for it. Yep.
Ooh. Doubted myself on that one.
One more. Third time's the charm.
Lean forward.
Oh!
That was the tail walk.
I'm
he
out.
was there.
See you guys.
He's out. He's done.
That's what I do every time I land a trick.
You really do. So far, what do you think of Carlos's teaching?
It's very intimate and very, what's the word I'm looking for? Effective. Very effective
Emotional?
and intimate. Emotional is one
Maybe.
word I would
Because
maybe
I feel
use.
like half the time you look like you wanted to cry,
That's fair.
but I can't tell if it's because you're happy that you're learning how to skate or because Carlos's advice is so touching.
So, rock to fakies. All it is literally, it should take like not even 10 minutes, dude, because people lean the wrong way every time. You think when you approach it to lean forward. That's the most like common mistake.
Okay.
Because when you come back in, if you're leaning forward, the board's just gonna shoot out. And I'm sure if you've tried it before, that's happened.
Yeah.
basically you want to kind of like, just like you leaning forward to drop in, you want to do the opposite with your shoulders.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
So this arm needs to go up and literally just look to the ceiling, point to the stars,
Look at that.
and just keep that form the entire time.
Okay.
It'll work out. How you lead up to it though, it's literally just going up and down to fake it.
Okay.
It's just you're gonna freak out when your wheels go over that coping. That's what everybody has a problem with. So you focus on it by shifting your other arm up. So what this is how you lean. It's all in the shoulders. And if you want to lock it, you just put your head back, and it makes your shoulder go up anyways. So it's like this. So you just do that over and over again, and if you can convince yourself to keep that same form, that's the rock to fakie. Watch.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna do it higher. See? And literally don't have to do anything. It's just putting your arm up and holding that form until you come down safely. But if you put it down on the way down, you're gonna fall down. Okay, it's not gonna work out.
It has to stay up.
It has to stay up until you, basically look, you're going up, you're reading the ramp, okay?
Yeah.
So if the ramp's facing this way, you gotta hold it. Then
Right.
as soon as you ride away safely, then you can go back to square. Square your shoulders up.
So your shoulders like lined up with the ramp the whole time?
Exactly. It's just like you're walking on a wall. Now watch, I'm not even doing anything, look. What I want you to do to get used to it is start off slow, just go up. Do that, okay? Get used to the feeling because you have to build up to it.
Am I doing anything with my legs?
Nope, just keep your knees bent. Golden rules, yeah, look, basically golden rule in skateboarding is bend your knees, okay? So even in the world, like bending your knees is important. You don't see people walking around like this, unless they have to use the restroom, you know, sometimes, you know. But yeah, it's basically this, like just a slight bend. You open up all your pivot cups, all of them, they just loosen up. And not only that, is realistically, you're flexing these muscles too at the same time. So now what I want you to do is just go up and down, make sure to do this. As soon as you come back down, wait till you're secure, then go back square.
How high up should I go? Just
however high you want.
So just rock to fakie on my first try. That's what you're saying.
And foot placement too. See where it is right there? If you have your foot all the way to the tail, you're not gonna be able to steer it on the way back. So where you had your foot,
Not good.
yeah, because it's cool to have it on the back two screws because you have steering, and just in case by emergency you need to lift up, look. You can lift up the whip. So go a little bit higher now, okay? We're gonna ease up into it right there. Don't stiffen up though, okay? So just relax, just be as loose as possible, okay? Hold the form, see? And if you could relax, you notice how it's a smoother transition.
It is smoother.
Okay, do a couple more, then I'm gonna spot you to get to the top. See? That's a rock to fakie. If you do that exact same thing above the coping, you'll ride away safely. Okay, so I'm gonna take control over your upper body, okay? All you gotta do is keep your legs loose, keep your feet in the right position, all right? Just go with what I'm doing, okay? Bend your knees down. Okay? It's gonna feel exactly like that, okay? Now we're gonna go above the coping. All right, enjoy the ride. Okay? It's only in the lean, dude. You gotta just tell yourself, I gotta just stay leaning back the entire time. Only put your shoulder down when you're secure riding away safely flat. See right there, like I know I felt you got scared, like, oh no.
Yeah, I was like, what's gonna happen here?
It's all in the lean, dude, it's that simple.
So are you catching me? Is that what's happening right here?
Just push, get a good amount of speed. Hold it. So let's keep doing that exercise over and over again. Arm up. Ooh. Arm up. Ooh, see? Right there? That's called a hang up. Basically, when you're learning, you don't want to do the full route because that one's a complete. You have to like push, and then you have to press on the tail to come back in. Okay.
So I'm just trying to get the wheels right over the coping.
We're just trying to get them past there. Okay. We're trying to do the basic one. There you go.
Oh, our friends are back.
Now I'm gonna start spotting you less. Okay.
Oh, good.
I'll still be there. Just remember, it's all in that lean. Okay. Now more speed, okay? I'm still here to spot you, okay?
Yeah.
Just I want you to know that you can do this, okay? You're more than capable of doing it. Okay? You just gotta believe in your lean. You'll be just fine, okay? Lean. Hold it. Bam. Woo. That was it right there. See?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Body!
That's when you put your arm down, dude.
I hate coming here.
But see how you fell? It's the worst thing that's gonna happen right now, okay?
Okay.
It wasn't even that bad.
You also saved my life.
Yeah,
so
I got
that
you.
helps.
Just like that. There you go.
Horrible.
Let's just go to the mini ramp. You're gonna do a drop in and do a rock to fake it. And
gonna
I'll
do it.
spot you, okay? You don't have to do it on your own.
Okay.
But there is one that you did by yourself, okay? Congratulations, you know how to rock to fake it now.
Thank you.
So to be on the safe side, he did it by himself. I don't want him to hurt himself. He's just gonna do a drop in, and I'm gonna spot him to doing a rock to fakie on this side, okay? So what I want you to do is when you drop in, the coping doesn't stick up. Do it right over here, okay? Basically, it will just be one and done, okay?
One and done.
Yes. And it's
See if I remember
all
how to
about
drop
leaning
in.
back, okay? Hey, after I teach you, you better keep practicing me on this point, because if a year goes by and you didn't practice, I swear.
If you buy me a mini ramp, I'll practice.
1, 2, 3. Now lean back.
Okay.
That was a,
No, it's because I forgot to lean back.
yeah. 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll stop it there, okay? So you don't hurt
Yeah,
yourself.
that was.
Good job, dude.
Oh, that was
I'm sure you
crazy.
heard-
Cool,
I
man.
told you
yeah.
hard drop right there. I
That's
felt it
scary
for
once
you,
you get
okay?
to the top.
Dude, I'm telling you, but that's literally all the methods you need to know for it. You just have to acquire it by practicing it over and over again. Definitely mentally up here, you know what to do. Well, good job
Cool.
today, man.
Thank you.
All right,
Appreciate it.
No worries, man.
Can we get a new board for this guy?
I already told him. I already told him. Oh, can't break it. You film.
Yeah, as long as it's cool.
No, you break it.
Well, I weigh 135 pounds. I'm not breaking this board.
Get this man a board.
No, this is your first board, right?
No, he's got to break it.
This is my first board.
You're not breaking it.
It all
Oh,
is.
Putting
bro.
this on the wall. What are you talking about? Don't listen to this savage man. This is your first board. You're gonna throw this on the wall and look back and be like, I did that. I did that. All right, Zexy, let's see what we got.
I want one of your boards, man. These are saucy.
Oh, I feel honored. Do you like this one the most then?
Oh yeah, that one's fresh.
Well, this one's an 8. That one's a 7.75.
Yeah, I'll go with the 8.
That's your baby now.
All right, Carlos, is there any parting wish you have upon our friend here?
Just be safe, man. Like I know you like to play video games, so
Yeah.
always take care of your hands.
Right, of
But,
course.
yeah, I gave you everything that you need to know to be safe, and just like I said, just skate, have fun, and you know what to do now.
Okay,
So,
thanks a lot.
good job today.
Thank you. You're awesome.
Congratulations, my friend.
Appreciate it.
You tackled that drop in.
Oh yeah.
You learned the basics of a rock to fakie, and now you have your very own brand new Spread the Shred graphic, courtesy of Nigel Ryan Jones, right there. That nice handsome man behind the camera.
Man, I'll be skating pro for this soon.
Yeah.
Next year, this time.
Honestly, if you
Oh, yeah.
if you come back in a year and you can rock to fakie without any assistance or anyone holding you, you have Nigel's
it.
word that you'll be pro.
I'll be pro. All right, that's a
Guaranteed.
deal.
That's a deal.
I need a handshake.
All right, you guys, definitely subscribe to Zexy Zek. He makes a lot of fantastic gaming videos, a lot of challenge skate videos. So definitely check him out. The link will be right down there in the description. There's some videos right there. Check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And I hope this video inspired you guys to skateboard. Literally any single person in the entire world can learn how to skateboard. And you're next. No, not you. The person back there in the right there. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you see him?
No, I see him. Yeah, I was confused for a second.
You learn how to skate right now.